Hi there, everybody, and welcome. This is Mary Beth Angelelli. Thank you so much for coming to my YouTube channel. Today, Retire with Mary Beth. And what I'd like you to do is, if you like this content, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe to my channel, Retire with Mary Beth. That way, as I continue to put out more new, fresh content and add it to my channel, you will be notified, okay? So what I want to talk to you about today is how to set up your Facebook profile to win, okay? Now, first and foremost, what is very, very important, since it's all about personal branding for Facebook marketing, what is most important is to have a professional cover photo, which is right here. This is the cover photo, as well as a very nice profile picture. Now, you want both of these to have you within them, okay? And the reason being is because you are branding you, okay? And your main objective for your Facebook page is to build that all important know, like, and trust in the eyes of your targeted audience, okay? So you want a very nice professional image, okay? What I highly recommend and encourage you to do is go out to Fiverr.com. That's Fiverr.com. I'll drop that link below in the description. And go out there and seek a graphic designer who can create you a very nice professional Facebook cover photo, just like the one I had created here, okay? And this is something that you want to include a picture, a photo of you, something clear, something crisp. I would recommend that you utilize a photo outdoors, okay? It can be something, on your property. It can be something in a local park, something local within your community, a recent vacation photo, or a vacation photo from your past. But outdoors typically fare better, when it comes to, Facebook marketing and branding and all that good stuff. So you want something that's very clear, and you want it to be of you on your cover photo, and you also want a profile picture of you, something, that shows you smiling, something that, people come to relate well, resonate well. And the main objective, folks, is building that all important know, like, and trust through your Facebook page, okay? And building your personal brand for your specific targeted audience on Facebook, okay? And then I also recommend that you utilize and find something that distinguishes you and brands you, like a slogan or a quote, and incorporate that into your Facebook cover photo. Like I selected, "The path to financial freedom starts here." Okay? So that's something, that I highly recommend. And again, using something that's outdoors. And you don't want your cover photo, you don't want your profile picture to be something that's animated. You don't want to use, animals. You don't want to use a pet. You don't want to use your company, logo or something that is company specific. You want it all to be specifically about you. So you want yourself here, and you want yourself here, okay? A nice photo here and here of you smiling, okay? And then what you want to do is you want to come up with a couple of key relevant identifiers, things that people can identify you specifically by. In my case, I use wife/mom. Those of you who know me, who have seen me, know that I am a proud owner of a German Shepherd. So I have German Shepherd owner. I'm a success coach. I've helped lots and lots of people to get started in home-based businesses over the past 10 plus years. And I'm also a internet marketer, specifically affiliate marketing for digital marketing training and educational products and services. And then what I did is I went and I picked out these little images here, these little emojis, and found one that was specific for each one of these targeted identifiers. Okay, so that's how I recommend getting this set up. Now, two very important settings that I'm going to touch on this particular video. Okay, you go up here and you go into settings, and you definitely want these two to be set up in this specific fashion. So you're going to go here to, let's see, settings, okay? And then you're going to select privacy. So you select settings and then privacy, and you want who can see your posts, who can see your future posts. Under privacy settings and tools, your activity, you want this to be set on public, okay? Because you want people to be able to find you. So you want this to be set on public, okay? Privacy settings for your specific activity on who can see your future posts, public. And then for public posts, okay, who can follow me under public post filters and tools, who can follow me, you want this to be set on public as well, okay? So that people can follow you. So those are two very, very important settings. And you want them set up exactly like that, okay? And then this is basically how you want to get started. First and foremost, whether you have a brand new Facebook account that you just created or an existing Facebook account that you want to grow and scale up for your business opportunity or opportunities, okay? Cover photo, very, very important. Profile photo, very, very important. And then you want to have some of these specific, identifiers. And also, you want to be using your full name and your real name, okay? Because when someone goes to Facebook to search you, they are going to be searching for your first name and your last name. So I highly encourage that you don't use, some type of pseudonym or something like that. You definitely want to use your real first name and your real last name, okay, so that people can find you. And then also, you want to be able to obviously be transparent, and you want to build trust and that all important know, like, and trust. And by doing such, you definitely want to use your real identity. Okay, so thank you so much for allowing me to share this valuable content with you on how to set up your Facebook profile to win. This is part 1. I will most likely be doing a part 2 and a part 3 here very, very soon. I'll be continuing onward and upward so that I can get into more specifics and more details for Facebook marketing. We'll be talking about posts and what type of post to create, how to post, when to post, and why to post specific posts. And then we'll be talking about how to find a specific targeted audience and all that good stuff in future videos. But specifically for this one, I wanted to keep it short, sweet, simple, right to the point. And first and foremost, this is what definitely starts you to be able to set up your profile to win on Facebook, is the cover photo and the profile picture, and then your settings. Okay, so thank you so much. Look forward to hopefully connecting with you very soon. I'll drop my Facebook link below. You have any questions, message me, add me as a friend. I'm here to help you. Stop by anytime. I'd love to meet you. Thank you so much. See you soon on the next Facebook marketing video. Bye for now.